Well, I have my princess here. She's up on the roof with me. All right, so right here we got the 30-pound paper on, 10 tags going on. We got the roof stacks, which is over there. We got one, two. I think it's the third one over here somewhere. Oh yeah, 3. We're gonna be replacing those. And then on this particular roof, mommy, we don't have any ventilation on the roof. As you can see, some of the older roofs don't have it. It's just, that's where a lot of heat stays in the attic. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some all-purpose vents here on this attic so air can come out. So you'll see that. Those are those vents right there. They look like a hat. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so like you won't be running your air conditioner because the heat goes up in the attic and it stays there. It don't have nowhere to go. So it usually comes through your roof or through your ridge, which is this middle part right here. Where these two ends meet here, like the gable ends, right here. You put like a ridge cap on here if you want, but I really don't have to. But I'm going to put the vents back here on the back side, so it's not on the front side. So if you drive and you don't see it, which is okay, we're good to go. And we're going to take up the flat roof, come up Monday, because the way they do their inspections here, they want you to do it like in piecemeal. So we're going to take up this flat roof, come up Monday, and get an inspection on that probably on Tuesday. So we good to go. Make sense? All right, and so you can see all the wood that now this particular wood, we didn't use regular plywood, we used tongue and groove, but you see this right here, because this is not how we do roofs now, we do it with plywood. 5/8 plywood is minimum thickness. Some places they want you to do 3/4, but normally 95% you're using 5/8 plywood. And sometimes when you're doing this, if you don't know what kind of wood you're looking at, they have an attic access. You can open that up and see what type of wood they have, and you're either going to see plywood or you're going to see tongue and groove. And tongue and groove could be 1/8, 1/6, or even plywood. 9 times out of 10 is going to be 5/8, and you get that. If you don't know what you need to bring. Okay? All right, as long as you know that. Going to school, girl. All right, so I'm gonna be leaving here a little bit. Just want to make sure they got their stuff. And what time you got to go over to the place? All right.
Set up my exam. They said pay for registration. So I gotta pay for registration, set up the dates for my business and finance, and my training. Set up both because.
So that means I gotta pay for it.
No, I'll do it.
No, so you know what?
You already done
No, you know what?
I'll pay for the registration, and you can just pay for the exams. Or you can pay for the registration, and I'll pay for the exams.
I think it's a setup. I think you're trying to set me up, but I got you. It's a well worth investment that you're doing. So just send me the bill. No big deal.
Okay. I'll pay for it. You send the receipt.
Whatever you need to do.
Let me just run the price. I know the registration is like $35.
Oh God.
Actually,
hey.
Let me pay for it because I still have school to pay for it. I'll pay
So you want to allocate what needs to be paid.
Yes,
that's what you're saying.
I'll pay for my exams.
Somehow it's gonna still come back to me.
If you want to pay for my school,
see what I'm dealing with?
That's cool. And no
I already know that. Well, it's coming.
Pressure.
It's
no pressure.
Hey, I love pressure.
They're gonna kick me out, Dad.
Overrated. Well.
It's just sitting there. Whenever you're ready.
Well, I appreciate you. All right. Hey.
To come home today.
It's gonna be a time when I'm not gonna be up on this roof, and you're gonna be doing this stuff. So you know what? It's the world of the worst. I deal with it. Okay. You'll be calling me while I be on some island.
You kind of abandoned me.
Yeah.
I was falling off the roof.
Hey, sometimes you gotta learn the hard way.
Falling off the roof. I was like, Father,
Learn the hard way. I bet you won't do it again. I bet you if you fall off the roof, you won't do it again.
Yes, I will. I will
Okay.
come on the roof. I would have put myself in this fall off the roof.
Oh gosh.
Do my job.
This is what I'm dealing with.
This is too slanted.
Peace, ladies and gentlemen.